In this video, we're going to learn how to adjust clip alignment and center it properly, which means positioning your video exactly in the middle of the frame. This is especially useful when you resize a clip, create picture-in-picture effects, or accidentally move a clip out of place. Let's start. First, place your clip on the timeline and select it. Now, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Under the video section, you'll see the position controls. These values control where the clip sits horizontally and vertically inside the frame. If your clip is not centered, you can manually adjust the position values until it sits perfectly in the middle. Another easy way to adjust alignment is directly from the program monitor. With the clip selected, double-click the video inside the program monitor. You'll see a bounding box appear around the clip. You can now drag the clip to reposition it visually, move it until it aligns with the center of the frame. If the clip was scaled or moved earlier and you want to reset it perfectly, you can manually return the position values to their default center values based on your sequence resolution. Using the Properties panel gives you precise control, while dragging in the program monitor gives you quick visual control. And that's it. You now know how to adjust clip alignment and center it properly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.